So this is our technical segment for major pairs on March 15th, the Ides of March. Let's move to euro dollar. Okay. So this is the daily chart. As you can see here, we are at 106.33 on euro dollar. Basically, if we look at the bigger picture, the daily chart, we're bang in the middle of the range. Let's zoom in just a bit more to the hourly chart. So there's weak support here at 106.30, more or less. Okay, stronger support at 105.90, and much stronger support at 105. Okay, we reached that level 2 weeks ago. To the top side, we have 106.80, and more importantly, 107.10, a veteran line that continues being relevant for euro dollar. Pound dollar suffered quite a downfall. We covered that in depth last week. Currently, we're seeing a rise, which I cannot explain. Seems like a fat finger or profit taking after the big falls. In any case, pound dollar is trading very nicely in range. Okay, so I think we can already mark here a double top on pound dollar, 122.50. Quite an old line. Well, mentioned it during several shows. To the downside, we have 121.20. This line was temporarily breached, but we didn't cross it, so it's a very, very nice 130 pip range for pound dollar. Looking up, we have 123.50, 124.15 to the upside, and to the downside, under 121.20, we have 120, a very round number. Maybe it'll fall once May triggers Brexit. Dollar yen perhaps best reflects movements in the dollar. That means will be best suited to follow the Fed tonight. 114 serves as weak support, followed by 113 and 112.50, which is already much stronger support. Resistance at 115.50. But as you can see, dollar yen reflects the tension towards the Fed. The ranges here are becoming narrower. Okay, so we can see this wedge forming, and it is set to explode. To which direction, we still do not know. Dollar CAD, of course, dollar CAD moved to the upside on oil prices. Quite a big leap over there. It's currently hugging the pivotal line there of 134.60, a very old line. Resistance at 135.40. Okay, following that, we have 136. To the downside, we have 133.80, also quite an old line. So I would say the current range is 133.80 to 135.40. Okay. Aussie dollar. Well, it's one notch lower. It used to trade very nicely in range between 76.10 to 77. Currently, it's lower between 76.10 and 75. Okay, it's currently a bit higher within this range, but quite limited over there. Kiwi dollar is recovering. It fell to support, almost to support there at 68.80. So this still continues serving as support, further support at 68.20. Milk prices dropped, didn't look so good. The RBNZ was dovish. Anyway, for technical line, 68.80, 68.20, and to the top side, 69.50 and 70.50. The round number of 70 does not have any technical significance at the moment. And dollar Swiss ahead of the Swiss rate decision, currently 100.75. All right, strong resistance here at 101.70, and support is at the line of parity. Further below 99.60, and to the upside we have 103.30, which is far, far above. Okay.